Hi, hope you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone in your Facebook Business Manager account. So the first thing is you need to go to this link business.facebook.com/select. So I have type it in here in my address bar, and then the next step is select your business manager account. So I'm going to add someone in my business manager account on this one. So I'll click on it. It will take some time, around 30 seconds, to show up, and after that I'll click on the hamburger menu from the left top corner here, and then I'll click business setting. Okay, so we are on the business manager account now. So this interface is called business setting. So if you want to add someone on your business manager account, then you need to select the people's tab and then click on add. And this is very simple way you can add someone to your business manager account just with their email address. You don't need to be on his friend list to add in business manager account. So let's type in the email address that I want to add on my business manager account. So in my case, the email address is this one, and I'm gonna allow admin access for this user so he can uh, join my business manager account and then work on my assets. So then I'll click on admin access, I'll turn it on, and then I'll click next. And the next thing is you need to assign your Facebook page, your Facebook ad account, and other things in order to send him the access. So the first thing is you need to click on the page and then click classic page, and you will see your page here, and select it, and then on click on add account. You can see my ad account name here. I'm going to select this one, and I'll turn on everything from the right. And if I want to allow him to my pixel, then I'll click on pixel, and uh, if any active pixel is listed on the business manager account, it will show up here. For my case, there is no pixel here, so that's why it's empty. So I'm only adding him to my business manager ad account, and I have selected everything, and next I'll click on invite. So that's it, and they received an invitation to join my business manager account, and after they confirm through the email they got, their name will appear here, and then he can work on my business manager account. So that's the way you can add someone in your business manager account, and it's a very easy way. But some people find that Facebook business interface is pretty confusing, that's why they feel some difficulty. So hope this video helps you well to add someone on your business manager account, and thanks for watching.